Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you a tie-dye kit, and also I'll show you how to do the tie-dye. So let's open it and see. So this one is the tie-dye kit. It's the 18 color sky tie-dye powder kit. So let's open this one. These are the colors chart. These are the bottles. A lot of bottles. So it comes with a lot of rubber bands, and these are the colors. And I think this is the fabric one. This is the poly. Now these are the colors. So these are the different colors. Peel the line. So these are the bottles. I have given like almost these bottles and 2 spray bottle. So this is and we have to fill the water like up to this level. Let me fill up the water. One bottle is ready. So these are all these colors I have made. So this is like 5 gram pouch, so you can fill water up to this level. And if you want to do some spray work in your t-shirt, then you can fill up the spray. What I am trying to do tie-dye with this bottle. So let's start. This is the t-shirt, and put it in this Ziplock and keep it for 24 hours, and after that I will wash it in water. So take the stone. I will make it in a different way. So this is another way we'll do it. So let's try with this one. Lisää suoraan another. So really I have to avoid. So these are all these t-shirts I have tie-dyed, so I'll keep it in 24 hours, then in the next 24 hours we'll wash it and we'll show you how it looks. It's almost like 24 hours, so I'll put everything in the washer. After washing, turn around. Turn around.